Hi everyone, in this short video we'll explore what a large concept model LCM is, a new AI paradigm, and why it matters. Traditional large language models, LLMs, generate text by predicting one token at a time, words or subwords. LCMs instead reason at the level of concepts, entire ideas or sentences, not just individual words. That means LCM works with higher-level semantic units, closer to how humans think and communicate. LCM uses a special embedding space, for example called sonar embedding space, that is language and modality agnostic. This lets LCM represent meaning in a way that isn't tied to one language or one form, e.g. text or speech. When given an input, sentence, or an idea, LCM encodes it into this embedding space, does reasoning at the concept level, rather than token level, and then decodes a resulting concept back into natural language or another modality. Some LCMs use diffusion-based generation or hierarchical architectures to plan and generate sequences of concepts, improving coherence, especially for long texts. Because LCM reasons at concept level, it can improve coherence in long-form content, e.g. stories, summaries, reports, reducing errors or repetitiveness typical in token-by-token generation. LCM's language-agnostic embedding space enables better multilingual and cross-modal capabilities, meaning it can generalize across languages or even modalities like speech. For tasks requiring higher-level reasoning, e.g. summarization, long-term logical consistency, structuring complex ideas, LCM can outperform or complement traditional LLMs. LCM is still a relatively new direction in AI. Researchers are exploring multimodal concept spaces, better concept representations, and broader applications beyond just text, e.g. combining text, speech, maybe vision. In future, hybrid systems combining strengths of traditional LLMs, fluency, token-level detail, and LCMs, semantic reasoning, coherence, could enable more powerful human-like AI understanding and generation. So in summary, LCM shifts AI from word-by-word thinking to idea-by-idea reasoning. It's a promising step toward more coherent, concept-aware, and human-like AI. Thanks for watching.